Today we're going to talk about carburetors. First, I want to give a shout out to this discount ramp place that sold me this wheel balancer. Now this is the last thing that I was going to do when I got the ramp. This is where it comes from. Discount ramps. Damn it. Right there. What had happened is this. When I bought this, it's supposed to come with these wheel weights that are glue on, this little bag, which it didn't have. And when I went to purchase it, they have a 10% off discount, so you save $5. Alright, no problem. Alright, I'll make this fast. Anyway, they sent me a little email stating, you know, how would you like to rate our product? And I thought, oh, I'll give you a real snappy little answer on that. So I gave them a 2-star. And I said in the comments, aside from having no weights delivered with it and not getting my $5 discount, I'm happy as hell. So this is what I mean about a company that takes care of its customers. All right. 3 days later, I get 2 emails. One says these weights are being FedExed to you from the company, and they're only 25-cent weights. And the next thing it says is your $5 discount will be applied. And I thought, you know, that's pretty nice. Didn't have to do that. I certainly wasn't going to call up the company and go to war over 25 or 30 cent weights, but I got a FedEx package. I got the discount, and this company knows how to take care of its customers. That's all I like to say. So yes, I will definitely be doing business with you again if I happen to need something like that. Anyway, thank you.